A very good morning to all students. Once again, we are coming to introduce a new type of the question which are related to the first chapter of class 12 accountancy, that is in financial statement of not-for-profit organization. As you can see that in today's video, firstly we discussed some of the important questions related to the higher order thinking skill question, that is a hot question. Thereafter we revised the question which already discussed in the last few videos. Okay, so without getting delay, let's we start the first topic of today video, which are asked by you in the doubt classes, in the doubt session, and the question number 41, and the question is, please prepare the capital fund. Please find out the opening capital fund of the question number 41. ओके, सो हम सारे डाउट्स क्वेश्चन को पहले इसमें सॉल्व करेंगे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 41 का हम लोग फाइंड आउट करेंगे. कॉम्पिटिशन ऑफ कैपिटल फंड, ओपनिंग कैपिटल फंड हमें फाइंड आउट करना है एट द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द ईयर. सो हाउ इट विल बी फाइंड आउट? Okay, the information is given in this question, and with the help of these information you can see that firstly we prepare the balance sheet as at 31st March 2019, and the balance sheet is, the opening cash will be 400. Okay, and opening cash will be of 400, and the outstanding subscription in beginning, which is clearly is given in the additional information, point 1 is rupees 800 being in area for 18-19 at the beginning of the year. So outstanding subscription at beginning will be of 800, and a donation of rupees 2500, इससे कोई मतलब नहीं है. एंड बिगिनिंग में यू कैन सी दैट गुजराती कल्चर एसोसिएशन ओड 2000 फॉर द यूज ऑफ सोसाइटी हॉल, सो इट इज अ लायबिलिटी. एंड बिगिनिंग में और कोई वैल्यू गिवन नहीं दिख रही है. कैश इज 400, outstanding subscription in beginning for the previous year is 800, and in this question you can see that the 2000 is the value हमने क्या किया है, given किया. ओके, किसको given किया है? to the, here it is a little bit mistake, the opening cash will be 3000. 800 is an outstanding subscription, so capital fund at beginning will be a 3800. ओके, आंसर आ गया. उसके बाद आते हैं हम लोग द अदर इंपॉर्टेंट इंफॉर्मेशन ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन, that is, and as you can see that there are 600 member each paying a monthly subscription of 10, 800 being in area for 2018 and 19 at the beginning of the year. So उसमें सब्सक्रिप्शन का भी एडजस्टमेंट करना पड़ेगा, वर्किंग नोट बनाना पड़ेगा किसका, सब्सक्रिप्शन. सो सब्सक्रिप्शन रिसीव ड्यूरिंग द ईयर, आपको सब्सक्रिप्शन कितना मिला इस साल? सब्सक्रिप्शन रिसीव ड्यूरिंग द ईयर is 71,100, and in this there are 600 members, so amount credited to income and expenditure account कितना होगा? There are 600 member और हर member से कितना मिल रहा है? 10. 600 member और एक member से कितना मिल रहा है? Monthly subscription of 10. So 10 multiplied by 12, that is 72,000. इतना अमाउंट आपको कहाँ दिखाना होगा? अमाउंट इन द क्रेडिट साइड ऑफ द इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर अकाउंट, जिसमें से आउटस्टैंडिंग एट बिगिनिंग का कितना इंक्लूड है? 600, और एडवांस एट एंड का कितना इंक्लूड है? 500. This is in 71,100. So it is still outstanding for the current year. कितना होगा still outstanding for the current year? Because in this question a donation of 2,500 was wrongly included in subscription of the current year. यानी 2,500 रुपए का सब्सक्रिप्शन क्या है जो गलती से इसमें इंक्लूड है, तो उसको हम लोग क्या करेंगे, माइनस करेंगे. अब अगर आप फाइंड आउट करो तो दिस इज 70,000 माइनस 2,500 कितना आया, 67,500. कंपेयर कैसे करना है, 72,000 से. सो डिफरेंस विल बी 4,500 एंड ये रॉन्गली अमाउंट क्या हो गया है, इंक्लूडेड इन डोनेशन. डोनेशन में 2,500 रुपए रॉन्गली इंक्लूड हो गए. सो दिस 4,000 विल बी आउटस्टैंडिंग एट एंड. ये मैंने इसलिए बता दिया ताकि जब आप इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर अकाउंट बनाओगे ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन, सो इट हेल्प्स यू. सो यू कैन सी दैट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ टुडेज वीडियो दैट इज एन ओपनिंग बैलेंस शीट, कैपिटल फंड फाइंड आउट किया और इस क्वेश्चन का सब्सक्रिप्शन. सो प्लीज नोट डाउन एंड प्लीज सॉल्व द एंड प्लीज प्रिपेयर द इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर अकाउंट एंड द क्लोजिंग बैलेंस शीट ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. And in the next video we will discuss the complete solution of this question. Okay, so please note down and thereafter we will move to the next question. So let's we move to the question number 29B, and this question is also related to the consumable goods जिसको हम लोग स्टार्टिंग में सॉल्व कर रहे थे. Question number 29B, and the question number 29B says that how are the following items treated while preparing the final account of a club for the year ended 31st March 2019, and the receipts and payment account is clearly says that the sale of sports material is 1,37,000, book value is 1,10,000. Creditors for sports material is 3 lakh and cash purchase of sports material is 80,000. Stock of sports material 120 at beginning, closing is 150. Opening creditors for sports material is 45 and closing creditors for sports material is 60,000. Firstly, आपने इसमें बहुत सारी चीजें फाइंड आउट करनी. पहला वर्किंग इसमें अपना ध्यान से देखिएगा. सबसे पहले आप इसमें क्या करोगे, क्रेडिट परचेज ऑफ स्टेशनरी में फाइंड आउट करोगे. कैसे फाइंड आउट करोगे, अमाउंट पेड टू क्रेडिटर्स, कितनी वैल्यू दी हुई है, अमाउंट पेड टू क्रेडिटर्स 3 लाख. इसमें ऐड करोगे आप ओपनिंग क्रेडिटर्स, सॉरी क्लोजिंग क्रेडिटर्स ऐड करोगे और ओपनिंग क्रेडिटर्स क्या करोगे, माइनस करोगे. सो क्लोजिंग क्रेडिटर्स विल बी 60,000 एंड ओपनिंग क्रेडिटर्स विल बी 45,000. सो ये आपका जो वैल्यू आएगा 3,15,000, दैट इज एन credit purchase of sports material during the year. आपने during the year इतने का स्पोर्ट्स मटेरियल क्या किया, परचेज किया, 3,15,000. ये आपका आ गया क्रेडिट परचेज. अब उसमें से आपसे क्वेश्चन में कह रहा है कि आपने कैश परचेज कितना किया है, 80,000. तो उसमें आप जो सही कैश परचेज ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स मटेरियल अगर ऐड करोगे 80,000 तो ये आ जाएगा आपका टोटल परचेज ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स मटेरियल, आपका टोटल परचेज ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स मटेरियल. फिर आपको पता है क्या करते हैं, इसमें ऐड करते हैं क्लोजिंग स्टॉक ऑफ मटेरियल और लेस करते हैं ओपनिंग स्टॉक ऑफ मटेरियल, स्पोर्ट्स मटेरियल. So closing stock of sports material will be 150 and opening will be 120. ठीक है, ये आया. तो आपके पास कंज्यूमेबल गुड्स कितना होगा, एक तरह से हम बात कर ले तो ये कह सकते हैं हम 130 ऐड हो जाएगा. 150 प्लस होना चाहिए, 120 माइनस होना चाहिए अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन. यस, सॉरी यहाँ पे मिस्टेक हुई है, क्लोजिंग माइनस होता है और ओपनिंग प्लस होता है ना। सो ये आपका हो जाएगा 120, 150 माइनस 30 माइनस हो जाएगा तो कितना आएगा 365। इतना आपका आंसर आना चाहिए था, अमाउंट ऑफ कंज्यूमेबल गुड्स या स्पोर्ट्स मटेरियल कंज्यूम। बट क्वेश्चन में ये भी लिखा है कि आपने 1,10,000 रुपए की मशीन स्टेशनरी क्या कर दी, सेल कर दी, तो उतना चला गया सेल ऑफ स्पोर्ट मटेरियल। आपने इतने की स्पोर्ट्स मटेरियल बेच दी, कितने की बेच दी आपने 1,10,000। तो ड्यूरिंग द ईयर आपने 2,55,000 रुपीज का स्पोर्ट्स मटेरियल क्या किया है, कंज्यूम किया। तो ये वैल्यू आपकी कहां शो होगी, इन द डेबिट साइड ऑफ द इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर। पहले तो इसको ध्यान से समझ लो, दिस वैल्यू विल बी शोन इन द डेबिट साइड ऑफ द इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर। द क्वेश्चन नंबर 37, according to the question number 37 is, from the following particulars relating to Ramakrishna Mission Charitable Hospital, prepare income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2019 and a balance sheet as that date. And the receipts and payment account is opening cash is 71,300, subscriptions 4,79,960, and donation 1,45,000. Interest is 70,000 at the rate of 7% per annum for full year. Proceed from charity show is 1,04,500. Medicine is 3,05,900. Doctor honorarium 90,000. Salary 2,75,000. PT expenses 4,610. Equipment 1,50,000. Expense on charity show 7,500, and the closing cash will be a 37,750. In which you can see that the outstanding subscription for the beginning is 2,400, end is 2,800, advance subscription 640 and 1,000, stock of medicine beginning 88,100, end 97,400, estimated value of equipment 2,12,000 at the beginning and 3,16,000 at end, and building 4 lakh opening and 3,80,000 for the closing. So you have to find out, firstly we have to prepare the balance sheet, opening balance sheet of this question. Because you know very well it requires a lots of space. Such type of the question required a lots of space. That's why you can see that this is in liabilities, amount, assets and amount. Balance sheet for the year ended 31st March 2018. Okay, first information is cash 71,300. Now the information which are related to the first for 2018 is outstanding subscription 2,400, advance subscription 640, stock of medicine is 88,100, 2,12,000 is the equipment, and 4 lakh for building. And in this question you can see that the other examples, other information is also given, that is an investment, because interest on investment is given, that is 70,000 at the rate of 7% per annum. So 70,000 divided by 7 into 100, that is in 1 lakh. 1 lakh ki 10 lakh, that is in 10 lakh. So जब हम आप इसको टोटल करेंगे, so we find out the capital fund in the beginning. We find out the capital fund at the beginning. So you can see that 10 lakh, 14 lakh, 15, 16, 16 lakh 12,000. Okay. 88,100, 90,500. okay, and 71,300. 008 3 7 7 177 3800, that is in 17,73,800. और उसमें से आप माइनस करेंगे 640, so we find out our answer, yes, 17,73,160. This is a capital fund balancing figure which are related to the last year. And after that we prepared income and expenditure account with the help of the given information. So how it will be prepared? Let's we see it. The format are as follows: income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2018, and the information are given as follows. The debit side is expenditure and the credit side is the income. First payment is medicine to medicine 3,05,900, in which opening stock will be debited and deducted closing stock. Opening stock of medicine is 88,100, whereas the closing stock of medicine is 97,400. Next, doctor honorarium is an expense for 90,000. Salaries, there's no information related to the salary, 2,75,000. Now PT expenses, it will be debited in the debit side of the income expenditure account, 4610. Equipment, but for equipment you know very well it is an assets, so it will be not considered in it. Next will be your subscription, and you know very well for the subscription the income of subscription is 4,79,960, in which we added outstanding at beginning, outstanding at end, minus outstanding at beginning, plus advance at beginning, minus advance at end. So outstanding at end of this question is 2,800, whereas the outstanding at beginning is 2,400. Advance at beginning is in 640 and advance at end is 1,000. And this is called the net income from subscription. Apart from this, donation is a normal donation. So by donation, 1,45,000. By interest on investment, 70,000. By proceed from charity show. And the charity show amount will be 1,04,500. Apart from this, you know very well the equipment value is given. So if you are talking about the equipment, so equipment opening will be 2,12,000, जिसमें हमने परचेस किया इक्विपमेंट का 1,50,000. सो क्लोजिंग बैलेंस कितनी होनी चाहिए थी? 3,62,000. But in the information you can see that is in 3,16,000. So the difference value will be depreciation. That is in 46,000 will be depreciation on equipment. Okay. So depreciation on equipment will be 46,000. Why? Because opening में equipment इतना था, purchase आपने इतना किया, तो closing में value इतनी आनी चाहिए, but value is 3,60,000. So the difference between the actual value and book value will be different. Will be treated as depreciation. Apart from this, if you are talking about the building, so it is clearly given that to depreciation on building. तो कोई purchase and sale नहीं है, so the depreciation on building will be at 20,000 because 4 lakh is the opening, closing is 380, so 20,000. So please note down this solution in your copy properly. So as you can see that the subscription received is 4,79,960. 4,79,960 उसमें हमें 3,400 माइनस करना है और 3,340 प्लस करना है. So 4,79,960 में we have deducted is 3,400 और प्लस करना है हमें 3440 में प्लस करना है. इट मींस एट लास्ट हमें क्या करना है 40 इसमें प्लस करना है. सो इट बिकम्स 0,0,008 4,80,000 that is the subscription received, and the medicine consumed will be a, you can see that 88,000 and 97,400 का difference. The difference will be a 3 and 7 and 8 का difference you know very well. 7 and 8 का difference कितना होगा 9,300. It means 9,300 will be deducted from it. 3,05,900 में से हम माइनस करेंगे 9,600, so it will be a 6 and 5 and 10 में से 5 गया 6 and that is a 9 296 600 ओके. और कुछ भी इसमें रिमेनिंग नहीं है. और आफ्टर दैट हम लोग क्या करेंगे एड एंड लेस करेंगे एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द surplus and deficit of this question. So when we are talking about the solution of this question, so we can see that 480, 145, 70 and 145 will be 2,15,000. 2,15,000 and 1,04,500. The total is 500, 9, 9, 7. 7,99,500. इधर कितना आ रहा है टोटल कर लेते हैं 2,96,600, 90,275. That is in 6,651. 561,600. फिर उसमें ये सारी चीजें भी ऐड करें 46 and 20 86 646 and 4610. 652,210 and that is in credit side. So the difference is 7,99,500, 652,210. The difference will be a 9. 4 में से 2 गया 2, 9 में से 2 गया 7, 9 में से 5 गया 4 and it will be a 7 में से 6 गया 1. So the answer will be a 1,47,290 and our answer of this question, this is in question number 37 and the answer is 59,790. So here it is in some calculation problem. Okay, here it is a calculation mistake and the mistake is that firstly the one item is missing out there, that is an expense on charity show 7,500. The expense on charity show, that is an 7,500 and the total is Correct. 7,99,500, and the difference will be a 2 surplus, and the surplus amount will be a 59,790. Okay, so this is the correct answer of the question number 37. The opening capital fund is 1,77,3160 and 59790. That is an income and expenditure account. Okay, so please note down these things in your copy properly. And thereafter we are moving to the next topic. Okay. Let's we prepare the balance sheet of this question, the question number 37. So how we will prepare the balance sheet of this question, please see it very carefully. When we prepare the balance sheet for the year ended 31st March 2019, the capital fund which are given in this question, that is in capital fund was 17 lakh 73,160 plus surplus, and the amount of the surplus will be 59,790. This will be a closing capital fund. Sorry for the next will be the closing values, that is an outstanding subscription 2,800, advance subscription is that is in 1,000, and closing cash 37,750. And the very important thing is medicine stock is 97,400. Equipment's value, the opening value of the equipment will be 2,12,000, in which we purchase 1,50,000 of the equipment, less depreciation during the year is 46,000. So the closing balance of the equipment will be 3,16,000. And for building, the closing value of the building is 2,80,000. 3,80,000. And the value of the investment at the end of the year is 10 lakh. As well as in this question, you can see that this is a total of the balance sheet. So I requested to all the students, please copy, please note down the balance sheet of the current year which are prepared on 31st March 2019, and thereafter we will move to the next question. Okay. So in today's video you can see that we solve a lots of the question related to the first chapter of the part A, that is a financial statement of not-for-profit organization. आज के लिए इतना ही. Thank you, take care, bye bye. Here it is a very important information to all the student is that please solve the maximum questions, that is a maximum additional question related to this chapter, as well as in the next video we will discuss the theoretical notes related to the first chapter of class 12 accountancy, that is in financial statement of not-for-profit organization. Thereafter we will move to the next chapter, that is the chapter number 2, that accounting of partnership firm fundamental. Okay, so I hope today we cleared all the things very easy. Goodbye, take care.